Today, we are going to work on syllables. Syllables are a part of a word. Behind me, I have the numbers 1 and the numbers 2 on my pocket chart. They are going to help us to know how many parts we hear in a word. Then I'm going to pick up a word card. We're going to say the name of the picture that is on that card, and we're going to clap our hands to the parts of the word we hear in the picture. So I'm going to hold up this picture here. This is a picture of a whale. So I'm going to say the word whale. Oh, I only clapped my hand one time. So I'm going to place the picture of the whale underneath the number 1 because I only heard one part that was inside that one. Now I'm going to pick up another picture. This is a tiger. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to say and clap. Tiger. Up. I clap my hands 2 times. So that means there are 2 syllables in this word. So I'm going to take the picture of the tiger and I'm going to place it underneath the number 2 because I heard 2 parts inside that word. I'm going to get another one. This is a picture of a hat. I'm going to place it down and I'm going to say hat. I only clap my hands 1 time, so that means there's only 1 syllable in this word. I'm going to place this one right under the number 1. Then I'm going to hold up this picture right here. Oh, it's a puppy. I'm going to say and clap. Puppy. Oh, I clap my hands 2 times. That means there are 2 syllables in this word. So I'm going to place this card right under the number 2. I'm going to continue this activity with all of the word cards that I have, and then I'll see how many words have 1 syllable and how many words have 2.